Magandang araw mga bossing. Ito nga yung sa Senate hearing, ayon po kay retired SC Senior Associate Adolfo Ascuna, legal naman daw yung warrant of arrest kay President Duterte, pero yung pagsuko sa kanya ay illegal, yung pagdala sa The Hague, Netherlands. So ito, pakinggan natin yung speech ni retired SC Adolfo Ascuna.
127 paragraph 2, in my view, yes. And therefore, in my view, the warrant of arrest is legal. However, I believe that the surrender is not, because the surrender must be pursuant to a treaty, and therefore our own law, Section 17 of Republic Act 9851, brought back the Statute of Rome, even after withdrawal, because it requires that a surrender must be pursuant to the applicable treaty. And therefore, in this case, the applicable treaty remains the Statute of Rome. And thus, we have to follow Article 59 of the Statute of Rome, which requires that the custodial state, namely the Philippines, must first bring the arrested person to a local court to determine two things: whether or not the person is really the one named in the warrant; second, whether or not the person has been informed of the charges against him or her.
Ayun, napakinggan natin yung sinabi niya. Wala namang problema doon sa pag-aresto kung talagang may kaso si Tatay Digong. Pero kailangan talaga dumaan muna siya dito sa local court natin. So, yun nga. So, sana mapanagot kung sino man yung mga dapat mapanagot, no? At para maging dapat maging patas din, magkaroon ng maayos at patas na labanan dito nga sa ating bansa. Kaya para sa ating mga kababayan diyan, mapasolid Duterte ka man o loyalist ka man, maging mapanuri at bumoto na maayos para sa darating na halalan. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. God bless.